What up, party peeps? Welcome to the fam. With me, Jackie. What up, fam? It's Jackie, and today I'm going to be doing my hair. So the last time I did my hair, well, it's been quite a while. But anyway, I've got some product that I typically use. I know the last time I actually did a hair tutorial, I did it from like a box kit that you can get at like Walmart or Walgreens or whatever. So today I wanted to do a kind of like a little DIY tutorial of what I normally use and the process in which I do it. Just to kind of show you the product that I typically use, I get this from Sally Beauty. It's the Argan Oil Perfect Intensity Vibrant Color Semi-Permanent Color. And I decided that I wanted to do basically like a replica of what I already have, but just freshen it up, and I didn't want to have to use like a box kit or anything like that. It always leaves my hair feeling really, really soft. I've never seen any breakage, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I've never seen any breakage, you know, from doing these. So I don't know if they're just better for your hair. I've got this really dark, it's called Midnight Blue. I'm going to be doing that on my roots, and I'm probably going to do pretty much down to here and then just doing the tips like a teal blue. And then the other color, this is one of the colors that I always use, is the electric teal. And these are really inexpensive. You can get these, I think they're like a little over $7. And I'm just going to kind of turn the camera around and show you what I do, because like you technically do not have to mix these with anything, but I do. I usually mix it with a white conditioner, so it makes the product really go a long way, and it gives you really the same vibrant effect, but it just really gives your hair a really deep condition. Got the conditioner. You can use really as little or as much conditioner as you like. And then I squeezed a little bit of the product into the conditioner just to see kind of what color I get before. And if I feel like I need to add more, I will add more. I mean, honestly, that looks pretty good. Oh, not being the most. And it looks black in this lighting. The lighting in honestly, in my entire house is absolutely just terrible. But, you know, you kind of get the gist of what I'm saying here. Alright, so you can see this is the other color that I am getting ready to mix up, and this is the electric teal. I love these. These are awesome. Highly recommend these. Let's go ahead and mix this. So that looks pretty. It's nice and tealy. Tealy. And it looks a lot darker. It actually, when it comes out on your hair, it really ends up very nice and vibrant. But if you want it darker, you can always add more. It's completely up to you how how much you want to add in. But I do like adding this conditioner in just because, like I said, it really does keep your hair nice and soft, and it makes the product really last. I've seen videos where people just squirted these tubes and covered their hair with the tubes. I can get like 2 or 3 uses out of this if I'm not doing a whole head application. Like if I'm just doing like an ombre effect, if you're doing probably a whole head, you could probably use half the tube if you're mixing it with the conditioner. And that's what I found. It really does make the product last longer. So I'm not sure in terms of the vibrancy, if it's more vibrant doing it the other way, but I've always enjoyed this, and this has always worked for me. So for some reason, I tend to get it everywhere when I do it. So today I'm covering my sink up, so if anything drips, it's landing onto a black towel. I took my glasses off because I've stained my glasses in the past from, leaving them on, so I put contacts in, and now I am gloving up. I'm going to go ahead and kind of brush out my hair. And it is unwashed. I'm really hoping this teal, because I've noticed sometimes with these colors, the lighter colors, even though my hair is actually naturally blonde, if I've got roots, I've noticed that if it's a lighter color, it will not cover up over it. You have to bleach the root, or lift the root to even get the color to hold. So my goal is to go darker, with the color. So do really dark up top here, like a midnight blue, fading out on a teal, in hopes that I don't have to I don't want to have to do anything extra to my hair. So, trying to keep it, not from falling out, basically. So what I like to do is I actually split my hair into sections. And I'm sorry for my eyebrows. I know they ain't there, but I didn't figure it was any point in even putting any on because, you know, we're going to be getting all showered up and things like that. I'm not going to put on eyebrows just to, like, rinse them off in an hour. So y'all get me eyebrowless. You're welcome. Divide my hair in half. Split it basically in half again. And then split it in half again. And then I start off with that kind of a section. And then I'll just pull this over to the side and kind of put that out of the way. And then I will clip this guy up here. Alright, so my dark blue, and now I used really cheap ass freaking like conditioner, so it is like super runny. Like normally it is not this runny, but normally it is like this consistency because I didn't have enough of each kind. So I did half and half. But it's normally thicker, like more like a paste. This guy right here is like liquid. But I mean, I'm sure it probably still works the same. Just gonna start applying the color. I paint it on and then I kind of just like work it into the hair like so, and then I'll just kind of paint it on. So then I take it down to about where I want it to stop at, and I really make sure that the roots, you know, like saturated and whatnot, so that I don't have like splotchy patches. Really make sure I get this covered and work it in, and then I think that's probably good, just the tips. I'll take my next color and I will paint it on like so. And then look, I just massage it in like this. Just into the tips. And then you want to kind of take a look through just to make sure completely saturated, because I've had that happen before in the past where with my hair being so thick, it didn't apply all the way through. So you kind of want to take that, and then look, now it's that nice ombre, and then I just leave it off to the side. I'm just going to take the next section. All right, and you'd be surprised, you may think by adding conditioner in that it's not going to be as vibrant, because when you see it here, it doesn't look like it's very vibrant. Trust me, it gets very vibrant. From reading the boxes and things like that, I got the impression that the darker colors, because it says vibrant and pastel shades work best when applied to hair that has been pre-lightened to a yellow or pale yellow stage. So, I don't know, I kind of got the impression that maybe using the darker colors would really cover up. So I'm hoping that by using this really, really dark blue that it will help a lot of that, and then it'll allow me to be able to do a color without having to do any kind of, you know, lifting to my actual hair. And it's just weird, because you'd think with blonde hair, you'd think that it would just apply over it, but it doesn't. It really did not at all. It like only did it if I bleached it. Yeah, my hair was looking pretty ratchet. Let me tell y'all, it was looking bad. And I've just been so lazy because I wanted to record this video. This is like the video that I've been wanting to do for a really long time, just because I've always had such amazing results with doing my hair this way with this particular product, that I just have been really wanting to do a video like this. Alright, perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up kind of doing more, and then when I get back up here to the top, I will come back to you and we'll see where we're at. Alright guys, so I am actually finishing up my hair. I've only got a few pieces left. With this conditioner being in there, it really helps and makes blending it really easy. Really nice smooth transition between colors. Once I've gotten my hair completely coated and saturated, I'm going to leave this on about 30 to 45 minutes. so that I can get max color absorption into my hair. And then I'm going to rinse it out and see what we got. I think just enough to do this last strand of hair. Oh wow, did I luck out on that? Everything else seems to be very saturated, which you want. You can definitely be generous with this, especially since you're doing conditioner. So I'm actually just gonna kind of do this, pull my hair back a little bit. I've got where the hell is my clip? Oh, right here. Put clip, just kind of clip it back. Out of the way. And now I'm gonna go get a bag. Be right back. All right, so I got my bag, and I'm just gonna boop, like so, twist it around, and then you can either use a clip, or I'm gonna use this hair tie around the clip and just pop that on there like that. Do that, and that looks good. And then I'm gonna clean up my face and anywhere where it's kind of splattered all over me, and I'm gonna let it time it for, like I said, 30 to 45 minutes. And then I'm going to rinse it out, and I'm going to hopefully show you beautiful hair. Alright guys, so I have rinsed out all the color out of my hair, and it definitely, you can see up at the roots, kind of what I was trying to cover without having to, like, you know, just bleach my roots. Exactly what I was kind of expecting is that the blue did not cover it. Well, we will style my hair and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to get this styled and I'll be back in a little bit. Alright guys, so my hair is done. I do really like the results a lot. I did leave the dye on for 45 minutes. So just in case anyone was wondering, because I said between 30 and 45 minutes, that may just depend on your hair. You can see up here at my roots where even my natural blonde hair color, which is really light, it did not hold the dye really at all. It just has like a slight tint to it, but I do really like it. Everything, you know, there is kind of like a midnight blue going on more up at the roots, but I did put it like almost all the way down to here, so I mean it like looks predominantly teal. We're gonna step outside here in just a minute, and that way maybe you can really see what it looks like. I don't know, I like it. Okay, so here's my hair in the natural light, and you can see it a lot more vibrant. So it is a little bit more bluier, but it's very teal down at the ends and throughout. I really like how my hair turned out. I was just a little bummed because I was hoping it was going to be a little more intense, like darker blue, I guess, throughout. I'd say, you know, to get the best vibrance of your fashion colors, you definitely have to have really bleached hair. Which mine was like a botched bleach job, and I've just been adding color and adding color and adding color, so that way I don't have to continue bleaching my hair. Somebody that watched one of my videos did give me a tip that if I wanted to like change my color and get the color out in a natural way, there are ways that we can do that, so I'm going to be looking into that. All in all, I really like it. Let me know, do you like it? Have you tried this? Let me know what you think. Do you have any tips for me? I don't know. Somebody gave me tips before and I really like that. I don't know if you can tell, but from my first video to now, I've lost over 20 pounds, and I'm really excited because I feel like I look amazing. I feel amazing. My clothes, you can see how big this shirt is on me. I'm wearing pants that I haven't worn in over 3 years. So if you're interested in how to lose over 20 pounds quick and easy, definitely check out my other videos. I've been documenting that along the way. I will have more videos up soon for you, and just again, let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, and stay tuned for more videos ahead, okay? Bye guys! Stay tuned for our next adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye y'all!